since I did my last Pinecone War, and I think I did pretty well, Deuce sent me a letter, and he said that he wanted a Pinecone War. So I came to my front yard, and I was getting ready for my Pinecone War, and oh God!
Wait a minute. Shut up. Okay. I can still hear it. Hold up. Did it break? What's wrong with you, boy? I was done listening to my thing. Oh, hey, by the way, I done seen what you did there with them Pinecone thingies, right? You know these?
Yeah.
Where are they at? These little things?
Yeah.
Up there? And you was fighting, right? And there was this little guy, he was like, ah! It was like murder, you know? So I fought, well, you got the letter right, saying that I'm gonna whoop your ass, basically. But, hey, Bubba, you wasted ammo! Well, anyways, so you got the letter. Are we doing this?
Yeah.
We're doing this, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, just like last time, where I fought Little A, we are gonna have a battle that we won't, maybe will, remember. We haven't even started, Deuce!
First shot!
Well, it's about to start, and it's starting right now!
Stop! Bullet! Can't touch me. Maybe you can. You can't. Oh, wow! 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 Ah! That's blood. Bubba! 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 I didn't tell you to help. Oh no! It gets real. You know what I'm doing. It's like down the corner. Let's go.
You can't use your axe, dude. I shot squirrels tougher than you and coons. Oh. Woo! Can't throw squirrel, boy.
I will not surrender. I will not surrender.
Squirrel boy, get out!
Not in this lifetime.
Get out!
Hey, that's Bubba.
I'm gonna call him Squirrel boy.
Oh dang. Oh dang. and hit a guy with a lamp.
Oh my god. Get off the video.
Baby. So, sacrifice. 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 What the hell? You messed it all my foot.
You can't use anything to shield these.
That's where my ammo's at.
So you can grab it. Don't hide behind it.
Wait, I'm gonna try to do one of them matrix moves. Matrix. I can't see. I can't see. Can't hit me. Fire. That's my job. Give me that. Get on out of here. This is sudden death. Rules. Take 6 paces back. Fire all at once. Ready? Let's go this way slightly. You know, like them tango people. Right. You brought rules shut down. Get down, folks. I'm gonna kill you. Make you look like a squirrel.